Every spring between April and June, we go out and we buy seeds to plant for our garden. To be more specific, vegetable seeds, just like our parents and grandparents did. The difference is they paid a lot less money and they probably used more of their seeds. Their seeds, as far back as I can remember, we used to pay about 59 cents a pack. There's two things that these seeds have in common. One, these are all unopened. I'll tell you why in a minute. And two, there are no prices. That's deliberate. When you pay 59 cents a pack, 69 cents a pack, 79 cents a pack, didn't matter whether you used the whole pack or not. People didn't care. So you either tossed what you didn't use, gave it away, or just misplaced it. And the following year you went out and bought seeds again. I don't know if we were taught, programmed, I don't know why, but things have changed. Things are different now. A pack of seeds can cost you $4 or $5. So do the math. If you're buying 5 packs of seeds at $4 a pack, that's $20 a season or $20 a year if you only garden in the spring and summer. So that's what, $100 in 5 years, $200 in 10. But what if you saved those seeds? What if you not only saved your seeds, but bought your seeds early? The difference between these packs of seeds here, even though they're diverse, none of these seeds are open. I buy my seeds in the winter. Most of my seeds I buy in January. As a matter of fact, these are the seeds that I brought a year ago. Well, technically not a year ago. It's mid-December, so these seeds I brought the first week in January. I'm not going to open them because I'm doing this one-handed, but the fact of the matter is I bought these seeds almost a year ago. They've been in my freezer. As long as you keep seeds in a cool, dark, dry place, they will last you. So, these seeds here are different because they haven't been opened, because I've been buying them throughout the off season, because companies want to keep the doors open. They want to keep their people working. So you get better prices, generally speaking. Sometimes you get free shipping. Sometimes you get half off. So the first point that I want to make to you guys is do not wait until spring. That's when the prices are going to go up. So you buy the seeds now. You put them in a cool, dark place. Put them in a plastic sandwich bag. Put them in your fridge. Take them out. Let them sit for a couple days, and use them in the spring. Now, the second money saving tip that I'm going to give you guys today is you are most likely not going to use all those seeds. So what do you do with the ones that's left? You put them back in the bag and you put them in the refrigerator in the corner someplace. So next year, you don't have to buy seeds. Basically, the germination rate drops off about 10% a year. For those of you who are new to gardening, basically what I'm saying to you is there's about 10% of your seeds that's not going to grow the following year if they are properly stored. So if you plant 10 seeds and you have a 10% drop off rate, 90% of those seeds are going to germinate, which means 9 out of 10. So you can use the same seeds again next spring that you use this spring that you brought at a discount price. So yeah, it was cool when your grandparents went out and bought seeds in the spring, but these aren't your grandmother's seeds. Again, what you paid for 5 packs of seeds back then, you can't even get one today. This is just an example. Like I said, I literally have well over 100 packs of seeds. And when January rolls around, next month comes, I will probably buy more. That's when the catalogs come in. That's when the seed distributors are begging to bargain. So look for the bargains, pick your seeds up early, put them either in the fridge or someplace cool and dark. You're going to save money by buying them early. Might even get buy two get one free or half off. Or even if you don't, just imagine if you're paying for seeds every other year, instead of paying $200 over the next 10 years, you're only paying 500. I mean, I'm sorry, you're only paying 100. So you're saving 50%. So that's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I'm going to probably give you guys a demonstration. I have some seeds that I had laying around for a couple of years, and I'm going to do a video and plant them as an experiment just to see how many of them will actually germinate and grow. That's it for now. I never like to keep you guys too long, so it's something for you to consider instead of wasting money to store your seeds and buy them early. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys enjoy your day, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I'll catch you on the next video in a couple days.